Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change monitor brightness quickly on Windows 10. Copy link from description and paste it. Click all versions. Click Win 10 brightness slider. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.